A very simple technique. You may say it's walking, but with a little bit of difference. So you go forward with your heels up and you go backward with your heels up. Basically, our nerve endings are at the bottom of our feet, and what it does, it stimulates it. Hi, welcome to Senior Fitness with Poongaatru. I am Neela and I'm going to take you through this today. So the very first thing that I would like to start, a very simple technique. You may say it's walking, but with a little bit of difference. So I'm going to show you how to do this. We're going to walk a few different ways, basically, initiating our nerve endings under the foot. So let's start with our toe walking. So toes on the ground, the heel is raised, and we start with our toe walking. Raise your heels, so your toes are on the floor. Raise your heels and just walk straight. Walk a little bit of distance that is possible for you. If you can't walk without holding, then hold something or walk along the wall so you don't fall or injure yourself, okay? So you start walking. Let me walk again and show you. I raise my heels and walk straight. That's it. You can do this a couple of times. Once you start feeling confident that I can walk this comfortably, we do a reverse walk. Yeah? So we go again like this, heels up, and just walk reverse. As you walk forward, you just walk backward. So you go forward with your heels up and you go backward with your heels up. Do this about 3 to 4 times if the area is small. If the area is large, you have a long distance to walk, then do about once or twice a day. That's enough. The next walk again with, this time we're going to do the opposite of that. We're going to walk on our heels, raising the toes. So you go like this, toes raised. Again, you come back and walk forward, toes raised. Once you're comfortable, same thing, reverse. Do that 2-3 times and do this, which is on your heels, twice. The third one is walking on the outer side of your feet, pressing the outer side and raising the inner side. Again, you walk. Get comfortable. Once you're comfortable, walk reverse also in the same way. Do it a couple of times. That's comfortable for you. But see that the outer edge of your leg presses down. And at any time, if you're not steady, please hold. Don't injure yourself. Because once you injure yourself, you can't do anything. You just have to sit or lie down. We don't want that, right? So let's be careful. The fourth one is you press the inner side of the toe. It's a bit like a duck. The leg goes in like that. And some people's hands also go in like that. But don't worry about all that. Who's going to see us? We're just going to walk for ourselves. So we go here like this and walk back. That's it. Simple. 4 things to do. Walking on toes, walking on heels, walking on the outer side, walking on the inner side. What benefits? Basically, our nerve endings are at the bottom of our feet, and what it does, it stimulates it. Once it stimulates it, we feel more energized. So these are simple things which we can do and get to a better place than we are now. Bye-bye.